All right, cleaning my bathroom. Now, I've got my trash can here soaking. I put some Pine Sol in there. I have vacuumed up the floor with this small vacuum. I use that for the hardwood floors. I don't really like sweeping hardwood floors because it just seems like things might just scatter around. So I got this vacuum for the hardwood floors, so I done vacuumed it up and I'm getting ready to mop. Got things sitting up on the counter, the floor all clean. So I'm gonna mop the floor, let it dry, and then come back and wipe down, clean the toilet and everything. All right, cleaning my bathroom on this Friday morning before the storm. I thought about waiting and, doing it during the time that I may be, in because of the storm, but it's a question about the power because we're supposed to get a lot of freezing rain. All right, Miss Golden Girl doing her chores. All right, here's my mop water. I have in the water some Pine Sol. And there's my mop. This is my mop pail. My daughter shopped for me and got my apartment set up to the point of what I did prior to returning from Colorado. So she got me a nice mop pail. There's the mop head. You can take that off, it's removable, and put it in the washing machine. All right, I'm gonna mop. So I decided to go on and mop the kitchen area and the living area. This is my rug in memory of me visiting all 50 states. Yes, that was my goal that I started at age 9 and I completed it at age 73. To visit all 50 states in the United States. So I've been to them all now. The biggies, the far ones, Alaska and Hawaii. I got those in. I went to Alaska 9 seasons, 7 in Skagway and 2 in Anchorage. Traveling is my passion. I took an early retirement to pursue this goal of mine to visit all 50 states. I did it.